Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Ansari and I'm your mentor for biology from team Science Guru. So guys, तुम लोग ने बायोमोलिक्यूल्स के बारे में सुना रहेगा, right? There are many biomolecules like proteins, carbohydrates, lipids and many more. Today we are going to talk about a very important biomolecule in our life, and that biomolecule is nucleic acid. So we are doing a topic biomolecule, and under the biomolecule we are talking about a very important topic, that is nucleic acid. आप लोग ने न्यूक्लिक एसिड के बारे में सुना रहेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज फाउंड इन अवर सेल. अब सेल में कैन यू रिमेंबर, कैन यू रिकॉल एनीथिंग कि वेयर इट इज फाउंड? दिस साउंड्स वेरी सिमिलर. न्यूक्लिक एसिड, लाइक यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड और राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड. यस, तुम लोग ने सुना रहेगा न्यूक्लिक एसिड आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन योर डीएनएज एंड आरएनएज. बट वेयर दिस डीएनएज एंड आरएनएज आर फाउंड इन योर बॉडी or in your cell? So we know this DNAs and RNAs, they are found in the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. Apart from this, you can even find the DNA and RNA in the mitochondria or the chloroplast, right? So guys, nucleic acid, it was first studied by the scientists Friedrich Miescher in 1869, and he was the first one to study about the nucleic acid from the first cell. So he studied the nucleic acid from the first, and later on this study says कि जैसे जैसे हम लोग ने और स्टडी किया, and we know that nucleic acid contains two types of sugars. One, they contains deoxyribose sugar, and there are some nucleic acid which contains ribose sugar. Okay, so the nucleic acid which contains the deoxyribose sugars later on, okay, known as what? DNA, and we know DNA stands for what? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. Similarly, the nucleic acid which contains the ribose sugar later on named as RNA stands for ribose nucleic acid. So you can understand now DNA और RNA के अंदर डिफरेंस क्या है. DNA और RNA में डिफरेंस है शुगर का. If there is a deoxyribose sugar, then nucleic acid is a DNA. If there is a ribose sugar, nucleic acid is a RNA. Okay, studying further okay, about the DNA. So let's talk more about the DNA here, guys. What is a DNA? You can say DNA is a long chain. It is a very long chain made up of nucleotides. So we can say DNA is a polynucleotide chain. It is a polynucleotide chain. अब understand, जब मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा polynucleotide का मतलब, okay, poly का मतलब होता है many, right? Poly means many, and nucleotide. What is a nucleotide? Let's understand about the nucleotide over here. So you will understand what is a polynucleotide chain. अभी न्यूक्लियोटाइड की अगर मैंने बात किया तो न्यूक्लियोटाइड कंटेन्स थ्री थिंग्स. फर्स्ट, इट ऑलवेज कंटेन्स अ 5 कार्बन शुगर. It always contains a 5 carbon sugar, and namely these sugars are ribose sugar. 5 carbon sugars are also called as pentose sugar, right? An example of pentose sugar we have here is ribose sugar, ribose. Similarly, they have the second compound, which is what? Phosphoric acid. Okay, yeah, you can call it as phosphate group, right? Second thing. Third thing, they will have a nitrogenous base attached to them. Okay, nitrogenous base. अब nitrogenous base नाम के अंदर ही लिखा हुआ है, nitrogen containing compound है. They are of 4 types, which I will explain later in this topic, okay, in this session. Now let's talk more about the nucleotide. How are they arranged here? Okay, so if we talk about the nucleotide sequence here, understand, सबसे पहला you have the 5 carbon sugar. Let's make the 5 carbon sugar. So you have the 5 carbon sugar. Okay, so here you will have the carbon number 1. Let me use some other marker, some other color. So this is carbon number 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. And here you will have the carbon number 5. Okay, this is a 5 carbon sugar. Which sugar I am talking about? I am talking about the sugar ribose. Now, to this 5 carbon sugar, what is attached? A phosphate group is attached, phosphoric acid. कहाँ पर होता है ये attach? ये attach होता है 5th carbon पे over here guys. यहाँ पर एक phosphate group attach है 5th carbon पे. And other thing is what? Your nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base is attached to the first carbon over here. So you can consider this is your nitrogenous base. I am writing NB over here. This one complete structure here is known as what? Nucleotide. This one complete structure is your nucleotide. Ab likewise, I told you DNA is a polynucleotide chain, right? So polynucleotide chain के अंदर such nucleotide और भी होंगे. So let's make it here. So this is again I am making the second nucleotide over here. This you know is the first carbon. तो यहाँ पर वापस से एक और nitrogenous base I am writing NB over here, right? This is the 5th carbon over here and यहाँ पर एक और phosphate group attach होगा. Okay, we'll write S over here. S stands for sugar. Now understand over here guys, यहाँ पर जिस ये phosphate group, okay, second nucleotide का phosphate group will be joined to the carbon of third carbon, okay, of the first nucleotide, and this bond here is known as phosphodiester bond. This is called as a phosphodiester bond. So one nucleotide is attached to the second nucleotide with the help of a phosphodiester bond. Here you can see दो nucleotides हमने यहाँ पे draw किया है, and such how you can draw multiple nucleotides. There can be thousands of nucleotides. There can be even lakhs of nucleotides. Millions of nucleotides can be joined to form one single DNA. Hence we call DNA as a polynucleotide chain. Do you know DNA is also a very large molecule. We call it as a macromolecule. अभी you know you cannot see a cell, right? हम लोग सेल को नहीं देख सकते. Cell is a microscopic structure. To see the cell we require a microscope, right? But अगर वही DNA हम लोग को वही अगर मैंने DNA की बात किया, DNA is not microscopic. अगर DNA unwind होता है, open होता है, you can actually see a DNA with your naked eye. So DNA is a very big molecule. We call it as a macromolecule. So here this is one side. अच्छा, हम लोग को एक और चीज मालूम है DNA के बारे में. Apart from this, DNA is a polynucleotide chain. We even know DNA is a macromolecule, right? Now, third point that you have to remember is DNA is double-stranded. DNA is what? DNA is double-stranded. When I say double-stranded, तो तुमने देखा रहेगा कुछ structures हम लोग ऐसा बनाते हैं DNA के diagram में. So one strand and two strands, right? So we say DNA is a double strand. अगर मैंने एक स्ट्रैंड की बात किया तो हर दिस स्ट्रैंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. दिस इज वन न्यूक्लियोटाइड, दिस इज सेकंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड, राइट? सिमिलरली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस सेकंड स्ट्रैंड, वो भी यहां पर होगा, बट द टू स्ट्रैंड विल बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. सो टू स्ट्रैंड्स ओवर हियर आर व्हाट? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री strands. These strands are what? Complementary strands. Let's see what does it mean. Complementary strand का मतलब होता क्या है? तो complementary का मतलब I told you this means what? Opposite. So let's make the opposite strand here guys. So let's do it. यहाँ पर I'm making again a pentose sugar, 5 carbon sugar, right? And this is your okay. 5th carbon will be your somewhere. तो यहाँ पर हमारा phosphate group attach होगा, right? And this will be your first carbon. यहाँ पे you will have what? Your another nitrogenous base. And this is your sugar, right? We'll make one more nucleotide over here. So this is your pentose sugar. This is your phosphate group. clear, and this one is your again nitrogenous base, and we know यहाँ पर पेंटोज शुगर किससे अटैच होगा, they will be attached through what, phosphodiester bond, the same bond that you have studied over here, right? अब now understand guys, if you see यहाँ पे if this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, this is third carbon, okay, this one is fourth or fifth somewhere over here, right? So you can see यहाँ पर fifth carbon ऊपर है, यहाँ पे third carbon ऊपर है, so we call this end as a phi dash end, और यहाँ पर if you see 1 2 3 4 5 ये वाला 3 dash end आएगा, okay, and if I go over here, यहाँ पे you can see third carbon is up, this is the 3 dash end, and here you can see 1 2 3 4 and this one is fifth over here, so this is the phi dash end. So when I talk about the DNA structure guys, okay, when I talk about the DNA structure, so understand DNA के अंदर दो strands opposite होते हैं एक दूसरे के, एक strand का जो end होगा that will be phi dash end, दूसरा will be 3 dash end. Similarly opposite complementary strand का okay end will be 3 dash end, this will be phi dash end. So here this is what you have seen, okay, so this 3 dash and phi dash end, what decides this is the carbon, which carbon is present at the end, right? So you know now this one. Acha, now okay, talking about the nitrogenous base now. Let's talk about the nitrogenous base. अब nitrogenous base की बात किया guys मैंने, तो remember हमारे पास 4 टाइप के nitrogenous base होते हैं in DNA. Nitrogenous base, okay, there are 4 types, and these 4 types of nitrogenous bases are what? They are adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. 4 टाइप याद रखना है, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, ATGC. Okay, let's see here. So nitrogenous base मैंने बोला होता है यहाँ पर you have adenine, you have okay thymine, you have guanine, and you have cytosine. Adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. यहाँ पर ये 4 nitrogenous base है. Always remember okay that A and G they have a single cyclic structure. खाली एक single chemical structure की बात किया, they are just single cyclic structure, and they are known as purines. They are known as purines. Whereas when you talk about the thymine and cytosine, they are double cyclic structure chemically. So we call them as what? Pyrimidine. Purine and pyrimidine. So you have to remember this. So there are purines, A and G. There are pyrimidines, thymine and cytosine. Right? Always remember that A always binds to T. A always binds to T with double hydrogen bond, and G always binds to C with triple hydrogen bond. So this is your hydrogen bond over here. So you can see hydrogen bonds are present, right? Acha, remember this is something like here nitrogenous base में यहाँ पर bondings होगी, double bond and triple hydrogen bond, and this forms what? This forms the ladders in the DNA. तुमने DNA के अंदर ladders देखे रहेंगे. तो ये ladders क्या होते हैं? ये ladders होते हैं कि nitrogenous base are joined to each other with the help of hydrogen bond. So this form the rungs of the ladder in the DNA. So that is all about the structure of a DNA, guys. Okay, hope you are understanding one of the very important nucleic acid over here, that is DNA. So what we have done over here, let's see. Okay, हम लोग ने देखा न्यूक्लिक एसिड के बारे में. न्यूक्लिक एसिड से we have seen there are 2 types of nucleic acid, DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, ribose nucleic acid. We know the DNA first. We have started with the DNA first. We know DNA is a polynucleotide chain. What is a nucleotide? Nucleotide is a compound which is made up of 3 things, that is the 5-carbon sugar, phosphoric acid and a nitrogenous base. Similarly, we know यहाँ पर they are the big molecules that can be seen by the naked eye, but nature has twisted it so much that it is fitted inside the nucleus of a cell, which is microscopic. So macromolecule, and we know DNA has double strand which are opposite, that is complementary to each other. Okay, we have seen the structures, we have seen 4 types of nitrogenous base. Okay, this is the entire thing over here. Okay, so that's the DNA. DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. This structure, final structure of the DNA, was given by 2 scientists, Watson and Crick, in the year 1953. for which they have been awarded by a Nobel Prize in 1961. So hope you guys have understood the structure of DNA. We will come up with more videos with more such topics. Okay, so see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Thank you.